Bringing a new life into the world is one of the most profound experiences a person can have. However, ensuring a healthy birth requires careful planning and attention to various factors throughout the pregnancy. Here are some essential steps to help you give birth to a healthy baby. Prenatal care. Regular prenatal checkups are crucial for monitoring the health of both the mother and the baby. These visits allow healthcare providers to track the baby's growth, detect any potential issues early, and provide guidance on nutrition and lifestyle choices. It's recommended to start prenatal care as soon as you know you are pregnant, and to continue with regular appointments throughout the pregnancy. During these visits, healthcare providers will perform various tests, including blood tests, ultrasounds, and screenings for genetic conditions. These assessments help ensure that any complications can be addressed promptly, contributing to a healthier pregnancy and delivery. Nutrition and lifestyle. A balanced diet plays a vital role in the health of both the mother and the baby. Eating a variety of fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can provide the necessary nutrients for fetal development. Key nutrients to focus on include folic acid, essential for preventing neural tube defects. Folic acid can be found in leafy greens, beans, and fortified cereals. Iron, important for preventing anemia. Iron-rich foods include red meat, poultry, fish, and legumes. Calcium, crucial for the development of the baby's bones and teeth. Calcium can be obtained from dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified plant-based milks. In addition to a healthy diet, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is equally important. This includes regular physical activity, which can help manage weight gain, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any exercise regimen. During pregnancy, creating a birth plan as the due date approaches. Consider creating a birth plan. This document outlines your preferences for labor and delivery, including where you want to give birth, pain relief options, and who you would like to have with you during the process. While it's important to remain flexible, having a plan can help you feel more prepared and empowered during labor. Discuss your birth plan with your healthcare provider to ensure that your preferences align with medical guidelines and the resources available at your chosen birth location. This conversation can also help address any concerns you may have about the birthing process. Pain management and support. Labor can be intense, and having a plan for pain management is essential. Options may include natural methods such as breathing techniques, hydrotherapy, or the use of a birthing ball, as well as medical interventions like epidurals or medications. Understanding the pros and cons of each option can help you make informed decisions during labor. Additionally, having a strong support system can significantly impact your birthing experience. Consider having a partner, family member, or a doula present to provide emotional support and encouragement throughout the process.